According to Viktor Frankl. Viktor Frankl is the author of Man's Search for Meaning. Ano sabi niya? The meaning of life is to give life meaning. That's the meaning of life. Ikaw ang magbibigay ng meaning. And sometimes, may mga tao dito may iwan na ayaw sumama dito kasi hindi talaga sila kasama. Kasi yung mindset nila, psychology nila, even yung paniniwala nila sa'yo, even yung tingin nila sa'yo, hindi para dito. Kaya ka nga niloko. Ito talaga pinakamahaba sa topic lagi. It's because a lot of people still don't have this. And you have to realign yourself with having clarity every 3 months. Nagigets niyo ako? Like, ito ba talaga gusto ko? Gusto ko ba talaga ng Honda Civic? Oh, gusto ko pa rin. Basta gusto ko talaga. Right? Parang gusto ko talaga, BYD eh. Gusto ko Wigo, gusto ko hotdog eh, yung Everest na pula eh. Right? I don't forget that, right? So, now, mali yung tansya ko, you have to know why. Why is your purpose? Sir MJ, ito na naman yung lalabas na tanong. Ito yung worst question eh. Now, ipipredict ko na. Sir MJ, paano kung yung why ko yung nanloko sa akin? Yes or yes? Can that happen? Yeah. Yung why ko yung nanloko sa akin. Ito yung good news. For your notes, according to Viktor Frankl. Viktor Frankl is the author of Man's Search for Meaning. Ano sabi niya? The meaning of life is to give life meaning. That's the meaning of life. Ikaw ang magbibigay ng meaning. May bago na akong why. Ang why ko na ako. Ang why ko na sarili ko. Ang why ko na yung magulang ko. Ang why ko na yung mga totoong nagmamahal sa akin. And for some of you, entrepreneurs, businessmen, pwede nga ang why mo, pati empleyado mo, damay eh. Pati kliyente mo, damay eh. Kasi kung may kliyenteng talagang sobrang naniniwala sa'yo, hindi ka bibitaw eh. Pwede nga ang why mo, may mentor kang naniniwala sa'yo eh. As long as may isang naniniwala sa'yo, tuloy. Hanggat may isa. And minsan yung isa na yun, ikaw yun. Or minsan, marami sila, hindi mo lang marinig. Kasi baka ang lagi mo naririnig, di ko deserve. Niloko ako, ito, sinaktan ako, ito. Hindi nga eh. You deserve better. You just don't know it yet right now. Okay, learning. Yes, okay. So this is 100% clarity right here. Okay? This is what you want. This is what you want right now. Yung 100% alam mo lahat. Malinaw tayo dito. Malinaw sa'yo yung gusto mo para kanino mo ginagawa at sino yung next na ikaw. Kasi ang magsusustain ng lahat, ito. So when we go back, nawala. When we go back to the systems, nakakita niyo yung systems kanina, kailangan mong mag-build ng personal system sa sarili mo, hindi para maging sa sarili mo, kundi para mag-build ng bagong ikaw. Like, who among you here are familiar with military? The military. Okay. Allen, for sure. Pag military training ba, matagal? Mahaba. Kasi binabago yung identity mo. Na willing kang mamatay sa bansa. Binabago pati why mo. Ang why mo na bansa, di na pamilya mo, bansa. Are you with me still? So ganun din sa pag nagnenegosyo, you're building a new identity. Binabago mo yung sarili mo eh. And you have to understand that when it comes to climbing the mountain, it's like, this is the mountain. So, pwedeng nandito ka before, again, di ba nakikita mo to? Kasi, ito you have to understand. If, for example, this is $1 million, the mountain of $1 million. For some people here, it can be different, yeah? Let's just say this is $1 million. If you are here, hindi mo talaga makikita yan. Nagigets? So for some people, pwedeng 10 million pesos yan, 20 million pesos. Maybe you're not yet seeing this. Because you are here. Ang nakikita mo, ito. So hindi mo rin kayang liparin yan. Kailangan mong bumaba. Ngayon, kung gustong-gusto mo to, ibibigay sa'yo yan ng universe. Ibibigay sa'yo yan ni Lord. God will give you that opportunity. But sometimes, either you will step down, have the humility to start over, or ibababa ka ni Lord. This right here, pwedeng hard work lang. But the next mountain involves systems. And systems means structures, design, culture. This involves bringing people up with you. No man is an island. You cannot do it alone. This involves coaching, mentoring, leading. Are you with me? So our job here is to take you here. That's why there are systems. Nagigets na ako. Ito problema, umaakit ka na dito, ito na eh. Gusto mo pang bumalik dito. And sometimes, may mga tao dito maiiwan na ayaw sumama dito kasi hindi talaga sila kasama. Kasi yung mindset nila, psychology nila, even yung paniniwala nila sa'yo, even yung tingin nila sa'yo, hindi para dito. Kaya ka nga niloko eh. Lolokohin ka ba niya kung naniniwala siya makakarating ka dito? Kaya ka niloko kasi hindi siya naniniwala. So wag mo nang balikan yung hindi naniniwala. Doon ka sa naniniwala sa'yo. Because I'm here to tell you, if you're here, at may mga kasama ka, pag mag-isa ka lang, selfie lang eh. Leaders, for your notes, leaders never cross the finish line alone. When you climb the mountain alone, you're not a leader. You're a fucking hiker. Leader ka, mag-isa ka, hiker ka, hindi ka leader. Ang leader, pagdating nyo sa tuktok, magkakasama tayo. Let's take a photo together. You will celebrate with your team. If you are a hiker, nagsaselfie ka mag-isa dyan, celebrating your own success. Mag-isa. People will say, it's sad to be a leader. People will say that. It is only sad if you are with the wrong people. Masaya siya if you are with the right people. It can be hard during the process. Pwedeng mahirap siya akyatin. Pero pagdating doon sa tuktok, I believe you, sobrang saya. Sino bang masarap kasama sa huli? Yung umpisa pa lang, ginagawa yung best na lang mapasaya ka. A lot of people tend to forget that. If a leader is struggling now, and they are doing their best to help you, imagine pag nakarating sila doon. Yun yung walang-wala sila eh. Nakakapagbigay. Paano pag meron?